Yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hour and 18 minutes away. We're at the old battery swap. Oh, and that sorry guys, I must confess, but I just let one rip. And guys, that that chili con carne is letting itself known. Soon as I just let one go. Anyways, guys, I need to wait until the highway's clear here. Okay. Okay. I think we're good to go. Nothing wrong, guys, with these stops on your last hour or so. Because yeah, guys, because right now it's 5:35. Yeah, so we've been on the bike for 6.5 hours. So yeah, your body needs these little breaks. And yeah, talk to your body. And listen to your body. If it's telling you, hey, let's take a 2-3 minute breather, let's do it. And yeah, go at your pace. Go at your pace. You got you know, you got warm clothes on. I'm not bothered there. My feet are okay. I'm not bothered there. So we can just afford to go. At a decent pace. But yeah, don't push it. Who knows? But yeah, if I just did a battery swap, I'm gonna give that one to go until like maybe half hour. So this one should last us good 45 minutes, hopefully. But yeah, with about 35 minutes left in the journey, we'll do the last battery swap. Yeah. We can keep the helmet on, light on too, because we got no precipitation. So our eyes are okay. So there's going to be something in 2 miles, guys. There's going to be something called the Constitution Trail. And that's where we got to make a left. Sorry, a right. So maybe right now we're within 13 miles of the hotel, so probably like 10 to 11, within 10 to 11 miles of Bloomington, because I think we're a couple of miles in town off the motorway. All right.